Dry bath incubator, meet more lab requirements, because of has accurate temperature control, with fast and uniform heating and high stability. In addition, has low energy consumption with no noise, and various blocks for convent replacement. Besides, it easy for clean and disinfection, with soap and water, or with isopropanol alcohol every 6 months. Therefore, dry bath incubator, have high precision temperature control, that is used as an alternative way of traditional biological water bath, so, it is widely used in genetics, microbiology, pharmaceutical, chemical, food safety, and environmental quality control. Hence, it is suitable for a variety of applications, such as sample cultivation, DNA amplification, restriction digestion, coagulation studies, and in situ hybridization.